Hey, this is Redstone, and welcome back to building Stampy's Funland. In this video, I'm gonna be joined by oh my god, my throat.
He's gonna be joined by me, okay? My name is Danny. I am a human, and what? I'm a dog human, and I was born in the world. Thank you. So today we're gonna be building Sheep Scramble, the game right over here, and just to get it started, it's cause Mr. Lost Voice Boy. So go in line with the pig race game over here, and then you want to go 2 blocks away like normal, and then make a 28 by 28 square. It should end up being 1 block short of the end of this game. And then yeah, we already dug it out, so go ahead and do that. Extend this path down over here. It doesn't matter how far, because it will need to go more that way. This is what you need. So now let's get
blue,
the show.
red, and green.
Yes. So
start off with yellow. We're gonna go 2, then out 2, over 1. Basically square things, and
let's actually make square things.
3, and then out 2, and then 1. Bring this all the way and fill that in.
Wonderful! Look at that beautiful shape. It's like a staircase. Beautiful shape.
Weird. And this is a wall. And it goes like this. It goes up against
Actually, break this block over there.
but it's there.
Let's actually make the it's blue, and then all this area, bring this straight black back, and then it should be 2, and then a square, and then a second square, and then a third square, and then a 4th square, and it should be right there, and fill that in. That's the pattern.
Yes. And we want 1, 2, 3,
8.
4, 5, 6. What? What are you doing? It's it's 6. 6 grass. Yeah. And then it's going all the way back. Yay.
Now, let's do the pattern. Let's actually start from here to keep the yellow pattern. Start from this end this time instead of starting from that corner. And then you make a square, and then a second square, and a third square, and a 4th square. And it should be like that. And then take this back, and it's green. And you fill the rest in.
Yeah, Dan, I'll do green. I'll do yellow.
Excuse me! I did yellow. So yeah, wonderful.
And these things, they're basically touching corners. Yeah.
We all love that.
But don't connect them! Cause that's wrong! Okay.
Someone had some excitement juice today before we started recording. Bring that back. Okay. So now, we're gonna start on this corner over here and pull 2 green back, and then we're gonna make a square, and then a second square, and then a third square, and then a 4th square. And then this all here, bring this back, is all red.
Cool. I wish I could have done red because it's my favorite color.
You can do red next time.
I'm doing red. Yeah. Do the thing. Goes all the way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, 7. Space. Make sure it lines up with the yellow.
You're doing good.
Yay.
Okay, and now you're gonna pull the red from here and do 1, 2. You could fill in the red, and a square, and then a second square, and then a third square, and then a fourth square. And then the rest pulled back from here is all blue.
Yay. While Dan does that, I'll make the thing.
Isn't this just the best? It's so easy and fun. Easy.
Yeet.
Perfect.
Woohoo!
So now, let me now grab out some grass and some fence poles and place 4 blocks of grass in all, or 4 wide of grass on all the pens. And let me just make, and put the fence poles 2 blocks away, like Wizard Tech remembered. And then you just do that on all the sides. Can I make the sheep?
Yes.
The sheep are lit. For
Before
anyone
you do
that
that,
does not watch Stampy Seed Survival, sheep are lit.
Before you do that, bring the colors up to here.
Yes.
And fill in the empty space with that color.
Yes. Sheep are lit, so this is like the best game in the Funland. Comment sheep are lit if you made it to right now and you like sheep. So yeah, comment sheep are lit.
Okay, we're gonna
So
face
now
with the yellow side on the bottom. And
sheep
we're gonna watch
are
Danny build a sheep face.
So now, you want to wrap the outside with white wool. And the face should be facing, or the mouth should be on the yellow side. So, there is a square of red, and then surround that in the pink, like that. Add 2 on the side, add it on the side like that. Then do a black eye on the ends, and then the black part of the eye and the white part of the eye, just like the derp sheep face. A row of pink on top, and fill it in the middle, and then the rest is white wool. Nice and sheep. Isn't that the most derp face you've ever seen? And now, grab out all colors of carpets, and some torches, and including white carpet. So yeah. So place 2 white carpets stacked on top of each other here, so then you could jump in and out of the game, just like this. Yeet. And then here, you want to place 1 blue and 1 yellow. Just like you want to place the color carpet of the floor, and then the opposite above it. So since this side is yellow in the corner, you want to place yellow and then green. And this side is green, so green then red. And then the last side is red, so red then blue. Bruh. So that's it. And now torches, and then we're literally, that's it. Except for the sheep. So go 3 blocks away, and place a torch. No, my bad, 2 blocks away. Sorry. 2
Ow!
blocks away.
No.
I know I L'd, okay? Don't hate. So go 2 blocks away. Torch. 2 blocks away on all sides from the middle.
Try and speed this
Place a torch. No. And then go on the ends. And place a torch. And then now you just want to go in the corner, all the corners. And let me just find it. You want to put it in the middle. So on this side, it's yellow, right there. On this side, it's going to be the blue in the middle. On this side, you place it in the corner, and then in the red, and then in the corner, and it's green. That. Now, the final 2 steps are to grab the
sheep?
the chest and the sheep. Yeah, that's not one. There's a chest in the front and the sign. So, like, let me on that side. And then a sun. For me, it's on the top, so on the top one. Fast. You like Sonic. Anyone see the Sonic trailer? It was great.
Was it though?
Yeah. Sheep. Yes.
Sheet!
Sonic trailer because like. Sheet shuffle. Bruh. Sheep. Shuffle.
Danny Eld for a
L.
second.
So, oh, that's the second time because I did the torches. And now you just want to place two sheets, or a sheep, whatever you want to call them, of each color, and let them roam free and enjoy their life as sheep. And that is it. We're done. Wasn't that fun?
Fill the chest with leads. Common sense, right?
Well, I guess so. That's it. We're done. That's it. So, I hope you like the sheep are lit game. That's what I like to call it. And make sure to like the video, subscribe, and make sure to check out all the other videos on the channel. And join the Discord for a chance to be in.
So you can know when we live stream.
Crush the bell. Murder the bell.
That too.
Touch the bell. So yeah, join the Discord and see ya next time. Or I'll see you next time because I like to leave and register this as after. So you're on trial leaving. Don't look at me.
Thank you for watching, guys. If you thought this was helpful, we have more tutorials like this on the channel. Every Sunday or so, usually.
Or whenever we want.
A
Sunday
Funland.
and bonus.
Yeah, bonus. And we put Billy sent me Funland tutorials and other content, live streams, survival. Okay. Hit the bell like I said, and subscribe! Bye!